Hey guys, welcome back to Data with Dominic, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to divide uh, a common value from all the rows in a particular column using the Power Query editor available to us in Power BI Desktop. So I've loaded some sample data into the Power Query editor, and for this demonstration I want to divide this unit price column by a constant value. Okay, so a situation where you might want to use this is while converting currencies. So say this unit price was all in dirhams from the United Arab Emirates, and I want to convert it to dollars. So in that situation I need to divide it by today's exchange rate, which is about 3.6. so I'm put that in, and once it's divided you can see that we've got the values now in the USD currency. So that's how we divide a common value. And further what we can do is we can also do this integer divide, wherein we can specify a value and it gives us the quotient but as an integer only. So as you can see I divided by 3 again, and it's removing the decimals and just giving me the integer answer. So based on your situation, that's how you can use both of these transformations available to us in the Power Query editor. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.